I'm Bob Olson, co-owner of A&A Paving Contractors. For the last several decades, the majority of our business has been serving your industry.
I'm Todd Eichholz. For the past 12 years, I've owned and operated a property management company. 4 years ago, I had the opportunity to become Bob's business partner. Now, why does my experience as a property manager matter to you? Because we understand your business better than any paving contractor around. And like you, I've had some great experience with contractors and some not so great experience with contractors. The times I had a great experience, they responded quickly, they kept me up to date, and came up with solutions when problems arose. As property managers, we don't have time to babysit our contractors. We need a contractor that can go to the site, do their job, do it well, and not create a bunch of headaches for my owners, my tenants, or myself. At the end of the day, a great project is one that built and strengthened the relationships I have with all of my tenants and all of my owners.
So we get it, and we don't think that's too much to ask for. Our objective is to serve your needs and do whatever we can to make you look good to everyone involved in the process. If you're looking for a company that understands your environment and always provides a great finished project, you got to call A&A Paving. And call us today.